Hi everybody, my name is Ryan Renzi and I teach welding at the Carroll campus. Some of the classes involved in the welding courses are wire welding, blueprint reading, welding health and safety, and math. Wire welding is a process where wire and electricity are used to produce a weld pool that fuses metal together. Blueprint reading is a two-dimensional conversation between the engineers and the welder or fabricators. Welding health and safety is a class where we discuss all the potential hazards that are associated with welding. Welding can be a great career option with many opportunities and may be right for you if you like working with your hands, have a creative side, or like to build and fabricate. Currently, there is a very high demand for welders in the US with great starting wages. Once you complete the welding course, you will receive a production welding certificate, which can lead to a welding diploma. Please feel free to contact me at rjrenzi3@dmac.edu.